On this very day last year, this House was concluding statements on the report of the Joint Committee on the 8th Amendment to the Constitution. That and all the work in between was an example of what we can achieve when this House works together. It is an example, perhaps, of how much more could be achieved if time in this House was better spent. But Sinn Féin doesn't change. To the ballot box and the Armalite, they've added the soapbox and the no confidence motion. Their stock in trade is still competitive anger and cultivated division. Devoid of ideas, their contribution to this chamber can be best measured in decibels. No wonder anyone expecting anything new or different from your leadership, Deputy MacDonald, has already lost hope. I reject your politics of division. My politics is to work across party, inside and outside this House, to deliver, to work together, because together we repealed the 8th. Together we passed the long-awaited public health alcohol bill. Together, we have been able to make a massive difference in the lives of Irish citizens with cystic fibrosis with access to new and innovative medicines. I am the first to acknowledge that there is so much more to do, and I want to get on with that job. We're already working towards eradicating cervical cancer. You claim to speak for these people. You truly don't. It is our national aim now to eradicate cervical cancer. This year, we will extend the HPV vaccination programme to boys. Our country is being watched internationally for our work on reversing the decline in uptake of the HPV vaccine for girls. We can and we will do more. We need to bring to a conclusion the talks with GPs to deliver new services and, more importantly, to ensure their sustainability. We'll move forward with the Patient Safety Bill, introducing mandatory open disclosure. We will overhaul our laws on organ donation so we can save more lives by replacing those antiquated laws with a new human tissue bill. We'll move forward with the Assisted Human Reproduction Bill and get it done this year so we can support families accessing IVF. And most importantly, we're putting in place the plans and the structures to take petty politics out of healthcare and implement Sláinte Care to transform our health service once and for all. Ceann Comhairle, we will build the National Children's Hospital after decades of debate. We'll get to the bottom of what has gone wrong, and we will make sure that lessons are learned. But we will not walk away from this vital project. Sinn Féin walks away. You walked away from the Health Ministry in Northern Ireland when you held that position. You might quit, but quitting is not in my DNA. Walking away is not an option. I know you're used to gagging your opponents, but we don't do that in here. Political accountability is about standing by your decisions. It's about working day and night to deliver them. Leadership is about sticking with the job, even when the going gets tough, and even when you try to make it tougher, and I accept both challenges.